what's going on, guys? Today I have a quick and easy and dirt cheap fix for Quartz watch that is losing significant time only when worn on your wrist. It's simply a loose battery. My only hesitation here is that you might not want to do this on like a very expensive piece. Here I have a Casio MDV-106, the Casio Duro Diver, which is a fantastic watch, but less than $100. I'll show you what we have here. So this, I'm just going to take out the movement holder here. And here's our lovely movement. And as you can see, there's some electrical tape there. So I literally cut a small piece of tape and put it over the battery to hold it in place. Now on the holder, the movement holder, I also put some tape in there just to add a little buffer. I don't think that was necessary at all, but very simply, I put some E-tape just right on the battery to secure it. And I had no issues whatsoever after I did that with the battery popping out. Now, I'm telling you, I've had this strangely happen on 2 watches where they were just losing time for no reason. Seems to be that the battery was coming loose and disconnecting and therefore stopping the watch. So as you can see, that's all it is, just the tape kind of on the movement here. I'm just gonna take this off with one hand. But yeah, so this watch, this battery is being replaced right now by me. I'm probably gonna do the same thing, but I just put 2 small pieces of tape. So as you can see here, you know, with the tape off, the tab here and the bracket right here, it's not exactly the most robust, secure system in the world. And so that battery apparently can come loose pretty easily. Like I said, I've had this happen on 2 watches, and I've done this electrical tape trick on 2 watches successfully. Again, it's when your Quartz watch, for no reason at all, is losing chunks of time, even with a brand new battery. It's because that battery is popping out, you know, when you're moving your wrist around, and then when you set the watch down and it's not moving, the battery's back in place and it's working fine. So anyways, I hope this quick and easy trick helps you out a bit. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.